Watch this video until the end. At the age of 26, I quit my day job to get started in a network marketing business. And guess what? I did not get any results or income at the time from my network marketing business. So do not make this mistake at all. Quitting your day job, irrespective of if your workplace is a toxic work environment, if you are frustrated, miserable, or unhappy at your job. Instead, look for a different job while pursuing your business or your plan A. Remember, you can always use your salary, your wages to invest in your business for business growth or for your business to expand. This can this is a lesson that I've learned. That is why I am teaching you this, so that you can avoid making this mistake. How will it's not easy when you build a business, you're not getting an income and you do not have a job. How are you how will you be able to provide for yourself? How will you buy food, buy clothing, buy the necessity things that you need to survive? And this will confuse your life. You need that safety net of having a job, earning an income while you are pursuing your dreams, your plan A. And yes, that have worked for some people, but what are the chances that quitting your job, pursuing your business, your dreams will materialize much sooner? Sometimes you need to be patient when you have a job and building a business and continuing, earning your salary, your wages, and continuing pursuing your business. That will make so much sense, so that, as I mentioned, you can always invest in your business when things go sideways in your business, or you would love to expand and take your business to greater heights, right? So the time to quit your business will to quit your day job will be totally up to you, right? That's not for me to decide, for anyone else to decide, but you need to come up with your own conclusion as to when is the perfect time to quit your job. So do not quit your job before the time.